In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix uncategorized income and expenses in QuickBooks Online. When you see uncategorized income or uncategorized expense in your books, it usually means QuickBooks doesn't yet know how to classify a transaction. Leaving things this way can make your reports confusing and your tax prep harder, so let's walk through how to clean these up and keep them organized going forward. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look at the left-hand navigation bar. You'll want to go to the Banking or Transactions menu depending on what your version calls it. This is where all of your connected bank and credit card accounts live, and it's the main hub for reviewing and categorizing your imported transactions. Once you're in the Banking or Transactions area, you'll see tiles for each bank or credit card account you've connected. Look for the blue tile that corresponds to the account where you know you have uncategorized items. Click on that tile to make sure you're working in the right place. This is especially important if you have multiple accounts, like checking, savings, and a business credit card. Next, navigate to the For Review tab. This tab shows you all of the transactions that have been imported from your bank but haven't yet been added to your books. These are the ones that can end up in uncategorized accounts if they're not handled properly. Find a transaction you want to fix and click on it to expand the details. When you expand it, you'll see more information such as the date, description, amount, and sometimes the bank detail. This is where you'll decide what to do with it. QuickBooks will give you two main options here, usually shown as Add or Match. Choose Add if this is a new transaction that doesn't yet exist in QuickBooks. Choose Match if QuickBooks has found an existing transaction, like an invoice payment or an already entered expense, that lines up with what came in from the bank. If you're adding a new transaction, take a moment to select the correct category from the drop-down menu. This might be something like office supplies, rent, utilities, or a specific income account. Picking the right category keeps your profit and loss report accurate and helps your accountant or tax preparer later on. When you're satisfied, click Add or Match to confirm. This moves the transaction out of the For Review tab and into your books with the correct category. To save time in the future, you can also set up bank rules to automatically categorize similar transactions. For example, if the same vendor charges you every month, you can create a rule so QuickBooks automatically assigns the right category, reducing the chances of anything ending up uncategorized again.